want some of this?
Oh, they all got the idea now.
Okay, your sibling got a little bit.
She wants it right
Lucky?
there.
Yeah. Lucky, you want some? No. I smacked him the other day for trying to bite my leg because I had picked up the baby and the baby was yelling.
Oh, so he...
Because it was squirmy and I was trying to hold on to it so that it wouldn't have a endangerment. And so then he comes over to me and like, what are you doing, my baby?
Fluff,
Lord
you want
have
some?
mercy, you're greedy.
Here comes Fluff. Throw another one her way.
Throw them and get them, everybody going in the opposite direction. Summer? I know. Well, thanks for getting youngin' off my lap, but...
Yeah, she's on your lap.
It's a good thing you're one of my favorites. She shook her head and said papaya juice right up in my face. Well, I need to take some of this out to Miss Tux too.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna happen. Here you go, Lady Jane. Well, I am now, I'm not a hot mess, I'm a papaya mess. Oh, now Waylon wants out. Here you go.
Okay. All done.
All done.